In this video, I'm going to show you how to import CSV into GnuCash. Now first, you want to go to the top left, click on File, and then from here, hover over Import, and in here, it depends on whatever you want to import, okay? So we can import accounts from a CSV file, which looks like this over here, then click on Next, and here you can basically select your documents which you basically want to upload. That's the first way to do it. Then the second one over here is to actually import transactions from CSV, which looks pretty much the same window opens up, you can select transactions, stuff like that. And then the third option is to actually import prices from a CSV file, okay? So that's essentially how you do it, and if you need any more assistance, I do have a full in-depth video on how to do that, on how to actually import transactions, stuff like that, how to navigate these import previews and matching accounts, stuff like that, and you can go ahead and check that out. But if that's all you needed, just to know where it is, that's it for you. Now, I also linked a playlist at the end of this video where you can find more GnuCash videos, and they will help you out as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.